Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with Flutter, you probably know how frustrating it can be to get a perfect box shadow. You tweak the blur, adjust the spread, change the opacity, only to end up with something that doesn't look quite right. Back when I was doing more web development, I used a simple tool almost every day, a box shadow generator. And I realized the Flutter community doesn't really have one that is easy to use. So I decided to build one myself. Flutter Box Shadow Generator is a simple web app that gives you ready-made, beautifully crafted shadows you can copy straight into your Flutter project with a single click. The tool comes with a collection of shadows inspired by popular companies like Stripe, Material Design, GitHub, Shopify, and more. Here is how it works. First, head over to flutter-boxshadow.vercel.app. You'll see a gallery of different shadows. Scroll through and find one you like, and then simply click on copy. The box shadow code is copied automatically to your clipboard. Now, jump back into your Flutter project. Anywhere a box shadow is needed, like inside a container or a card widget, just paste the code you copied from the website. And instantly you're going to have a high quality box shadow. Before we wrap up, I want to give a huge shout out and special thanks to the team at getcssscan.com. Their incredible, beautiful CSS box shadow examples page was a major inspiration for this project. They've already done the hard work of creating and perfecting these stunning shadows for the web, and their work was instrumental in helping me get the values right for Flutter. So thank you, Get CSS Scan. This project isn't just for me, it's for the entire community. If you find this tool helpful, please consider giving the repository a star on GitHub. Your support helps more developers discover it. And if you are feeling creative and want to add your own shadows or suggest improvements, I have included a contribution guide on GitHub. Let's make this a go-to resource for Flutter shadows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.